Hey everybody, it's Neil. I've got you in the back of my car just because it's really cold outside, but I want to show you guys one of these things I got here. I got this here. Check out this. This is a reciprocating saw kit, and it is big and heavy. So let's show you guys what it is here. I'll aim you down a little so you can watch me open it. It is by POPULO. So let's see what we got in here. So we have some instructions. We have the saw. Let's see how this looks. Looks pretty nice, heavy duty. Why is it not going? Okay, that's what it'll have on there. It's on the blade. We got this battery. Here's the battery. Seems 20 volts, 4 amps, so it's a pretty decent sized battery. We have the battery charger here, so that's kind of cool. We have a carry bag. That's nice that it comes with its own little carry bag. That's totally cool. And then we have some saw blades. So very neat. So let me go put some of the saw blades in here. I'll show you guys the different saw blades. You got a little one, like there, a big one here, I guess this is like a medium sized one here in the middle. Well, no, it's the same size as that first one, just a bigger one. And then we have this one here. So I'll just put in this little one here, and we're gonna try to cut just some PVC pipe or something here with it. So let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna guess, turns it. There we go. So to put it in, we turn this little thing here, and then it slides in, and then it grips onto onto that little hole in the back. Now it's got this in there. Let's see what happens when we put a battery. What do I do with the battery? There it is. Let's take the battery, slide the battery on. And here we go. Here we don't go. Okay, there must be some other catch on here keeping it from going. Okay, silly me. Okay, this little button, you push the button in and you do it, but it's like a little hard to squeeze. That's kind of cool. So you don't do it by accident, but then you just have to squeeze it a little bit harder to make it go. So it's just got like a little extra little safety on it, so you don't just squeeze it, I guess. So let's give this thing a try. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I just saw a little piece of wood here. So let's just see how it goes. Actually, let me see. Oh, so this toe piece goes like that. Cool. So let's just try this. Not gonna do anything fancy. Go. We got a good cut. Let's see here. I don't know where the other piece went, but you can see it cut it nice and smooth. No burning or anything, so that was good. So yeah, it seemed like you got a good cut on that one there. Obviously, it wasn't held down very good. If I was cutting a stud or something with it, it would be, in place. I was just kind of holding it with my hand, so it wasn't the best connection. So, but I'm happy to announce that it does work. So very cool. So POPULO, and you can push the button either side and do the switch. So it's cool that it does that, and I like it. So I'm gonna say this is cool. 20 volts. Definitely had the power to get through that stick there. I mean, even some of my other little Ryobis or something that's old school ones get stuck on something small, but this one here, and I didn't even charge the battery, so it's only got one dot. So definitely needs to be charged to get the rest of it going. So, but it's lithium, so it should be able to get the power all the way through to the end. So I'm gonna say it's a very cool saw. So thumbs up for me. Pick up one of these. It's the POPULO, and it works, and totally nice to be able to have around the job site. Just an extra saw around. So good for me. Thumbs up.